Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use flower decoration sponge. Start with the right foam. For fresh flowers, fully submerge the foam in water until it sinks, ensuring it's completely saturated. For artificial arrangements, dry foam is perfect. Then, carefully cut the foam to fit snugly into your chosen container, leaving a small space around the edges for easy placement. When arranging fresh flowers, cut each stem at a 45-degree angle. This helps them absorb water more efficiently. Begin by inserting your larger, focal flowers to define the overall shape and height of your design. Then, gradually add smaller blooms and various types of foliage to fill in any gaps, creating a lush and balanced display. For artificial or silk flower arrangements, always use dry floral foam. This type of foam provides excellent stability without the need for water. You can easily bend or trim the stems of your artificial flowers to achieve the perfect length and angle. Insert each stem firmly into the dry foam, ensuring your arrangement remains secure and beautifully structured. To keep your fresh flower arrangements vibrant, ensure the foam remains consistently moist by adding water daily. Be gentle when inserting stems. Avoid pushing them in too far, as this can compromise the foam structure. For heavier blooms or more complex designs, consider using floral tape or wire to provide extra support and stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.